Welcome back to Autoscope. The 2026 Mercedes Benz GLE Campervan is a recreational vehicle idea that combines the performance and luxury of the Mercedes Benz GLE with the practicality of a campervan. The goal was to create a vehicle that would be comfortable for long-distance driving and offer an excellent camping experience. Base of vehicles, the Mercedes Benz GLE platform, which is known for its state-of-the-art technology, comfort, and stability, serves as the foundation for this vehicle. It will most likely have a range of engines, including a plug-in hybrid, for better fuel economy. Interior features. The interior is designed to maximize both comfort and space, and it may be configured to the user's specifications. Possible features. The sitting section can be made into a comfortable bed. A kitchenette equipped with a refrigerator, stove, and sink. A bathroom with a toilet and a shower. A cutting-edge infotainment system with a large touchscreen and internet connectivity. Use automated climate control for maximum comfort. Mercedes-Benz is known for its high-end materials and luxurious finishes. External features. The exterior of the 2026 GLE Motorhome will retain the sporty and elegant design of the standard GLE while adding elements that increase its utility as a motorhome. Possible features include an extensible or pop-up roof for increased headroom. Use side awnings to increase the size of your outdoor living space. Bike racks or outside storage for recreational equipment. Solar power systems can meet off-grid electricity needs. Performance, although its main focus is on comfort and functionality. The 2026 GLE Motorhome will nonetheless deliver rapid performance and be entertaining to drive. Because to its potent engines and state-of-the-art suspension systems, the 2026 GLE Motorhome will come equipped with cutting-edge Mercedes-Benz innovations, including as the MBUX infotainment system with voice control and navigation, emergency braking assistance, adaptive cruise control, and lane departure warning are examples of active safety systems.